you fill up the area with the oil, see how thick it is, and then you put this guy back on. It helped if you would have marked it, but I was in a hurry. I hope that goes back in the right area. And then you just bolt it back together. Alright, I'll talk to you later. When we put it back on, it would be working. I'll show you shortly. Bye. Alright, so it's bolted back together. The Phillips head screws go from the back side. The 6mm, these are 6mm with a 10mm head on them. They go from this side here. And I'm going to put it on pause. This technique was taught to me back in 1995 when my cousin Sean Donovan, Mr. Donovan, currently he's 60 years old. Currently I'm 51 years old. He's an ASC certified master mechanic. He taught me this trick with the oil treatment. It saved me $80 today. It's very effective. It should work in a few minutes if I can convince my girlfriend to come out and switch the motor off. Stand by.